Hey guys, today we're going to be taking a look at a first generation iPod Nano. I also happened to get it for $5, just like that iPod video I polished a few months ago. Let's plug it in and see what happens. Okay, so the folder icon shows up. I think it'll just need to be plugged into my computer and restored on iTunes. So I plugged it into my laptop, and now it's boot looping. I think we might need to move to something a little bit older. My iMac G4. So I've plugged it in. Now, it hasn't showed up in iTunes, so I don't think it's going to work on this computer either. Now, I'm going to see if it'll sync to the computer from FireWire. Unsurprisingly, it didn't work. Now, I'm going to plug it into the wall with FireWire and see if it actually boots up. And we get the exact same thing. I'm going to try to clean the port with some rubbing alcohol and see if that makes any difference, but I doubt it will. I plugged it into my MacBook again, and it actually showed up as a disk. I'm going to try and format it using Disk Utility before I do anything in iTunes. Well, what do you know? It failed. I guess we'll have to restore it through iTunes. If it'll even start restoring. Here we go. Now I gotta close Disk Utility. Now we can try restoring it a second time. Okay, we're actually getting somewhere. Wow, I think it actually worked. Let's see if it works being plugged into the power this time. Yes, it actually booted up. I'm gonna plug it into USB power now and see if that'll work. So, it works from USB as well. So here, we have the same iPod, but in different colors. And guess what? The black one works perfectly, and it hasn't been charged for months. So let's see if it turns on. Look at that, it just boots up and works. Here's another white iPod I bought fine, and now it has issues. It started developing gray spots in the screen. I think it's from the battery swelling up. I suspect that the problem with the white iPod Nano is that it sat for years and the battery is completely dead. So now it won't even show up in iTunes, and it'll turn on when it likes. There is still one thing this iPod's good for: gaming. So with that, thank you guys for watching. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed.